guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna do a fashion video, but this time it's gonna be very different because I know I haven't tried any sort of like clothing that shows you so much skin. But Cupshe is a brand, like a swimsuit brand, and they emailed me, asked me if I wanted to try out some of their like pieces, and of course I had to say yes just because I mean they're gorgeous. And so let's just get into it. Okay guys, so some of these I'm not gonna try out the bottoms just because they're too big for me. Like I ordered everything in XL large. I don't even know what I'm thinking, but yeah, so there's no way I could show you guys that because either way it's gonna look so crazy because it doesn't fit me at all. It's very loose. So but I'll show you guys anyway. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's very pretty. It has this very tropical like print into it. And now let's just get into it. Like without further ado, let's just hop into it. But before we start guys, take note that everything I got is way too big for me, so just a heads up. But let's get started. The first piece that I got is this one. This one is probably like one of my favorites just because I can wear this with jeans and like some sort of black kimono and it's gonna look so bomb. So this is what the first this is what the first piece looks like. It's like this corset type of style, and mind you guys, I really like this. Like it's so durable. And also I love the fact that you can actually remove this to make it like a tube, and I think that's gonna look so cute. And because whenever I go to the beach or like swim, I don't really like showing so much skin, to be honest. Like I don't like it, so I'm gonna use this and then wear a very long kimono with shorts. That's gonna look so cute. So this is what the first piece looks like, and I really like it because it is so like you can feel how good quality it is. Like I don't know, I really love it. I love it so much, and I'm so excited to use this not even at the beach. I feel like I can use this when I'm going to like a very nice like date with my friends, you know, like it's gonna look so cute. And also I love the print. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. And the matching bottoms looks just like this. It is so big for me, you guys, so I couldn't really use this, and I don't know what I will do with this one, but I don't know, I'll make it work somehow. But this is what it looks like if you get the right size for you. Like I ordered this in extra large. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I ordered it in extra large and it's so big. Like even this one is way too big for me, but I kind of like pin this thing over here so it would fit perfectly. But yeah, this is what the matching bottoms looks like. I feel so bad that I ordered this in a very wrong size just because I like it. The quality is so good. The second one that I got is probably one of my favorite as well, just because I can wear this with skirt or like a jeans. And you know how it is like on trend to like use bathing suit as a like top, and you just like, yeah, this one is also pretty big but not too much, so I'm so happy about this. And this is what it looks like. I love it so much, and also I love the material. I don't know what material it is called, but it's so comfortable on. I love it. And also I love their quality, like all the qualities, all of these bathing suits and swimsuits, all the swimsuits that I got is very good quality, you guys. Like I can't even tell you how I would describe it. Like for its price, it's really good. And so yeah, this is what it looks like, and I really wanted to use this as my top, you know, like I'm gonna use this with like jeans or skirt. And also I love that it's not showing so much skin, which is like I approve. and my parents would approve. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like this one. I think it's so pretty, and I love that you can use this for like casual occasions. You just have to like tuck it into a jean. It's gonna look so cute. Next one that I have here is probably the most daring one that I got, and it is quite big for me but not too much, so I think I'll make this one work. And this is what it looks like. This one, you guys, is so gorgeous. The reason why I got it is because when I saw it online, I just know that it's gonna look super good in person, and it does. So this is what it looks like. That looks so stupid, but it doesn't look good like holding it right here, but it's so pretty. And also I'm gonna insert a picture of like what it looks like on the website, so you guys will have an idea. And I literally don't have the body for this. I don't even know what I'm thinking, but you know what, it's cute. And also I love that you can tie this thing right here. It adds so much, like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. Like, again, with the quality is so good. Like, I love it. So when this item, like when they deliver these items to you, they have the sticker right here, which I appreciate so much because that is so hygienic. And yeah, last pair that I got is this one. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna wear this one and show you guys, just because, no, I don't know. But this is what the top looks like. It's so pretty, and I don't even know what type of material is this, but it's so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with this type of material now. I love it. Also, the color is so gorgeous, and yeah, I just love everything about this. Like, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, I love it. Like, I would wear this when like I'm wearing a beach dress and this part is kind of showing off a little bit, but not too much, and I really like it. It's so cute. Like, the color itself, like, I love it. And then the matching bottoms looks just like this. The problem is it's too big for me, so that is so sad. But this is what am I trying to do? So this is what the matching bottoms looks like. It's very high quality. I love it. This items is gonna last me so long just because they're very durable, and I love the quality. Like, I wish this was my size. Like, I feel so sad when I got this, just because I know that this is like way too big for me. So that is sad, but I'll figure out what I would do with this. And I love it. Like, this one, I'm gonna definitely wear this just because I really like it. Like, all of it, I love it. I love all of it. Okay guys, so that's it for my mini like swimsuit haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I don't even know, like, I feel so shy even filming this, just because I'm gonna try out some of this, and I don't know, I'll make it work. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you do so, and comment down below what you guys think about them. And if you guys are interested with Cupshe.com, then all the links will be on the description box below, and make sure not to order it in extra large if that's not your size, because you're gonna end up heartbroken like myself. But yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.
Kiss me on the mouth and set me free. Sing me